Hey, what's up guys? Felix here. Today I would like to share with you a complete Big Bang refactoring of my current project. Just give you a little background on my project. I'm currently working on a canvas project, which is extremely complicated to my skill level. And when I initially started, at that time, I have no understanding of the project whatsoever. So what I did is that I built the project by solely vibing. I tried to understand the project in whole and stitching all those specs and features together with Kiro. But by only building by specs or features, the agents or Kiros will code everything together for the sake of simplicity, which makes it unworkable because for a canvas project, when everything was built for the sake of simplicity, meaning all the logics were mixed up together in code, which then creates a lot of dependency issues and hidden edge cases. Meaning I'm no longer able to add more features and no longer able to develop my project because of all those dependency issues. Therefore, it is necessary for me to do a Big Bang refactoring by separating all the logics hidden within my code. So what I did, I dived deep into truly understanding the issues together with Kiro, of course, with AI. And then I set up steering files, reference file, context, and guide. All those files were then linked and referenced in a markdown files, which together allows me to create a context for my agents, as well as to create an agent skills, right? And by truly understanding that, I then was able to create an agent that untangle all those mess. Yeah, and that's the background, and that's also a summary of the whole video. I'll be sharing you this video now. Okay, so this video, as I was saying, I will be showing you a complete workflow on how I create my agentic workflows or the skill document. The video will not be super long because I will be fast forward for the majority of the time to give you an ideas on how I collaborate with keywords or agent or any kind of agent into solving a particular issues. In Kiro, there are documents that called agents steering, which means those were the documents that always load as a meta prompt or a conditional prompt, which together informed rules and workflows and allowing the agent to perform a more structural workflows. And really what I'm doing here is I'm trying to understand the problems that I'm trying to solve. If I don't understand what my agent is trying to do, the agents will not be able to solve a particular issues that you wanted it to solve. And what I mean by that is you have to be intentional, because if you don't be intentional, you will not be able to direct your agent to work towards your goal. So really what I'm doing here, it is to test how my prompts and my documents could ultimately influence the agent's workflow. And yes, I hope that my workflow can be inspiring to some of you guys. If you are starting vibe coding, this is my complete workflow on how I collaborate with my agents to solve a particular problem, which is to use markdown files and setting up the rules. I hope my workflows are interesting, and I hope that my workflows are useful to some of you guys. If you found it interesting, please leave a comment below. If you wanted to share anything with me, please also leave a comment below. And I will hope to see you in the next video. Bye.